Hello, my name is Ming Ngai. I'm an organic chemist. So organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that studies the structure, properties, and reactivity of an organic compound, which contain carbons. So this field is very important because it can create new reactions and molecules that can lead to life-saving medicines, innovative materials, and also more efficient agrochemicals. So in my lab, what we are doing, we are focusing on an area called the photoredox catalysis. Just imagine how plant is using sunlight in the photosynthesis. We are using visible light to drive chemical reactions. So this process allows us to convert and transform simple, inexpensive chemicals into valuable products, such as therapeutics and diagnostics that can use to treat and also study human diseases. So it's like using a sunlight to turn a molecule into a medicine. And so another areas that we are working on right now is something called molecular editing, specifically with carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are very essential in many biological processes and play a very critical role in diseases such as cancer and diabetes. And so our goal is to develop new technologies that will allow us to modify this carbohydrate selectively and efficiently. So this could lead to the creations of new diagnostic tools and treatments and also vaccines. And so another exciting areas of our research involve incorporating foreign atoms into organic molecules. And so making the molecules more stable, effective, and suitable for many different type of applications. So this research can lead to a better drugs and more durable materials and also innovative solutions for the human health and also energy. So if you are passionate about science and chemistry, I think organic chemistry may be a perfect fit for you, because it involves a lot of hand-on experimentations, and if you are enjoying activities like cooking or building things, you might find it particularly enjoyable, because you get to create new molecules and reactions that could one day potentially have a significant impact on the world. So to be an organic chemist, there are a few courses, important courses that you can take. So classes in chemistry, biology, and physics are some fundamentals. And organic chemistry, biochemistries are especially important because through them you'll be able to know how molecules interact and also react with one another. So additionally, classes in mathematics and also computer science are essential and beneficial in a way that it can help you to understand the data and then using the computational tools in your research. So overall, a strong passion for science, a curiosity to explore how things work at molecular level that will drive you to succeed in organic chemistry. So keep experimenting and stay curious. And so one day you might be able to contribute to the transformative discovery that can benefit humankind.